As an accessory, you can purchase a Space Saver kit. This kit contains all necessary tools to replace a flat tyre on the road. The following steps are generally performed to change the wheel on most models. Begin by parking on a safe, level surface and applying the parking brake. Place your automatic transmission in park, or if you have a manual transmission, in first gear. Turn off the engine and turn on the hazard warning lights. Use a safety triangle and warning vest if local regulations require. Refer to your owner's manual to find where the jack is stored in your vehicle, how to use it, and where the lifting points are located. If your vehicle is equipped with wheel covers, you must first remove them to get to the wheel nuts. Do not attempt to use your hand to remove a wheel cover. The end of your jack rod is designed to pry it off. Loosen the wheel nuts a half turn. Raise the vehicle with the jack until an appropriate height is reached. Remove the wheel nuts and the wheel. Place the wheel under the vehicle. Install the Space Saver spare tyre and tighten all the wheel nuts with your fingers. Then, tighten the wheel nuts using the wrench. Remove the faulty wheel from underneath the vehicle. Use the jack to lower the vehicle and remove the jack. Tighten the wheel nuts crosswise completely using the wrench. Stow the jack, tools and faulty wheel. Check the air pressure and retighten the wheel nuts as soon as you can. For more details, please refer to your owner's manual.